Hello friends and followers, my name is SMOE and today I am back again with a very cool video about doing some graffiti. Yeah, you didn't hear anything about me and my graffiti for the last 3 months, but this has a very wonderful reason. I got a little baby and I took a time off, and I probably would not paint today if I would not have found a very great solution for you out there and for me to get some financial support for my videos, because this video is sponsored by Squarespace. Thanks a lot to Squarespace. And what do I want to paint today? I've got a little idea, and it is, I have to scroll through my, there it is. The last time when I was taking a little time off, I painted this skull character and this very cool graffiti. And I want to do something similar. I want to do some kind of an update of this one here, just because I like it. This is crazy. I've got some completely full leftover acrylic spray paint from Liquitex that I used on a sports fair where I had to paint some sports shoes in the middle between of all the people, and it was indoor, and so I chose this acrylic spray paint because it does not smell so much. But yeah, now they are old and they don't work very well, so I will make a background color, probably the most expensive background color that I ever had, out of this red. It's like cooking a color soup. It's boiling. Look. Oh hell! Holy moly! The water is very high. Very high. I'm afraid that the background will not be red. It will be some kind of a skin tone. Yeah. However, we have no choice. This red has the name Pussy Pink, and it is funny because this is exactly the color that I have on the wall now. So I have the perfect eraser can, because like you probably know from all my other videos, I always do my first lines with 2 cans. One is the eraser can and the other one is the first lines can. Yeah. One, two, three. This is number 4. Oh, I have only 5 with me. So yeah, it won't fit anyways. Doing a white fill-in was the most stupid idea that I had in the last time. So I won't paint the character, because I have to leave one white for cutting. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I have to do it. In any way, I have to do it now. Shit! And I wanted to use white for a stencil background, but the background does not get dry. Everything does not work today. Yo! This is the magic moment. The first lines, no, the outlines are ready, and now I will do all the block effects, all this crazy 3D stuff. But first, let me tell you something about my sponsor, and I will do it at home at my computer. Squarespace! Just imagine, you have freaking no idea about internet and doing programming and all this stuff, but you want to build a very cool website with an online store and all this stuff. Squarespace is your all-in-one solution to build that. Just type in squarespace.com if you want to build your own website, and they have a lot of very, very beautiful templates. Let's just take this one here, for example. This is all for you. You can change everything there. Yay! This is so easy. Logo and title. Oh, let's take this one here and save. Look, now there is the logo already. You don't need to have any idea about coding and programming and all this stuff. Squarespace is your solution to make it. Just make it. Try it out. You can do it for free, and if you are ready with your website and you want to launch it, you can buy there the domain and all this stuff, and you will get 10% off just by using the code squarespace.com/SMONOVA. So easy. Just do it. And there we are again, and now let's do the blocks. Oh yeah. And the shadow and all the stuff. Okay, friends, a lot of you always ask me the same question. How are these shadows done? What is the rule behind it? And there are some quite easy rules that I can just tell you, and maybe your blocks will be better after that little tutorial. But I want to do some more some more professional tutorials in the summer. This is just a little quick tutorial for you. The block is always going into this direction. And this here, for example, this is a hole. And the physique of a hole is always the same. Holes are dark the deeper you are inside of a hole. And if you are inside of a hole very deep, it is very dark. So that means that it has to be dark into this direction so that you can easily just fade into your hole like this, so that here there is suddenly the outline visible that wasn't there before. The second rule, everything that is facing to the ground is darker. This is very dark, this is not so dark, this is more some kind of light, and this is very light. So if something is facing to the ground, it is very, very dark. So this here is a very interesting part. Now you can see this part here is dark from the bottom, it is dark from the end, and we have a shadow that is from this part here falling on the fill-in, and it continues in a 45 degrees angle on the block. Yeah, that's it for today. I just have to say thanks a lot to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. So you out there, if you want to build your own website, check out the link down below, check out Squarespace, and if you want to buy the website, use the link Squarespace/SMONova, and you will get 10% off. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you were a little bit entertained, and we see us in the next project.